you from?
Sydney, Australia.
Sydney. How are you today?
I'm good.
You going together?
Yeah.
How long you have been in Vietnam?
Only 1 week.
A week, yeah.
1 week?
Yeah.
And how do you feel about Vietnam?
It's
We
amazing.
love it. Only Hanoi and Ha Giang.
Hà Giang, you in Hà Giang Lodge?
Yeah.
What are you going to next?
Sapa.
Sapa. Sapa so beautiful.
Really nice?
Yeah.
Yay. I didn't jump, but she jumped.
Thank you. So are
Enjoy the
you?
trip. Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Bye.
do you want to say hello to everyone?
Hi, everybody.
Yeah. You're so beautiful.
Oh,
and
thank
you.
you.
Bye. Bye. See you later.